This Christmas light installation company generated 62 leads at a conversion rate of almost 19%, paying only $36 per lead. And these were high quality, exclusive leads generated through Google Ads straight to their landing page. We recently just turned off their campaign, probably last week, as it's December 22nd right now. They're booked up, they're booked out, and if you don't have your Christmas lights up by now, that sucks. But besides the point, I want to do a breakdown on this campaign, the setup, the structure, what worked, all that good stuff, and give you guys the juice. So real quick, let's take a quick look at what we tracked. We tracked 60 form fills and only 2 phone calls. Makes sense though, because we were heavily pushing form submissions for this client. They were running a special offer. I forget what it was. We'll check in a minute. I think it was like $250 off, or probably not that much, but they had a great offer they were running. So we were primarily driving traffic to the landing page for form fills. Let's go ahead and take a quick look as well at their ad group structure, which was really pretty simple. There's not much to structure out for a company this niche, right? So again, they are a Christmas light installation company, which is where you get terms like holiday light installers, Christmas light installers. We did have a couple keywords for commercial, which really didn't do much, but they do some commercial properties. So we gave that a shot. And then of course some catch-all keywords, which were really just like broad and generic, but we'll break down more in depth some of those keywords. So for now, without going specifically into one ad group, let's just take a quick look at all the keywords together and sort it by what spent the most. So they're based out in Tallahassee. You can see that was obviously the top performing keyword. Christmas light installation Tallahassee spent around $1,500, got around 31 conversions from it. Something else you'll notice is our quality score is very high on a majority of these, and that is a shout out to the client who actually built their own landing page, which was phenomenal. I was very impressed by it. These quality scores really can't be beat. Obviously there's none down here because these keywords didn't get any traffic. And that's the other thing that's interesting, is you'll notice pretty much all of our keywords were just the top 3, right? It was really high spending for these specific keywords. You can see we really didn't turn off anything. Outdoor holiday lighting, that was another good one. Christmas light installation. Really popular typically is going to be those holiday light installer keywords. And then of course the Christmas light installation. This is one of those that's super simple, super straight to the point, really not that overly complicated. As for our catch-all keywords, we just kind of threw in some broader stuff. Who hangs Christmas lights? We hang Christmas lights. Those are probably terms you're more familiar with. You've probably seen those on like Facebook ads and stuff like that. Take a look at some of the ad copy here. Interaction rate, or CTR, insane, 27%. You're probably never going to see that unless it's on a branded campaign, which this obviously isn't. Converting at 18% almost. This was pretty incredible. We can go ahead and take a look at some of the ad copy now. We can see some of the headlines here. Honestly, super simple and straight to the point. Obviously, we call out the service quite a couple of times in different variations. You got Christmas light, holiday light, and then some location specific, like Christmas lights Tallahassee, Christmas light installation. And then furthermore, we obviously advertise, get a fast quote, $100 off, $100 off light hanging. That's really the main one there that we wanted to focus on and point out, since they are saving $100 on all light installations. And then limited spots available just for some sense of urgency. Probably not, anything crazy. I'm sure you've seen better ad copy, but the point is, it's to the point, it's specific, and it works, right? It's exactly what the user is searching for. It's where they're based, and we're giving them a reason to act now. Get a fast quote and get $100 off. You can see here all the ads performed pretty well. They were all duplicates of each other, unless it was for the commercial, where we went a little bit of a different route, obviously, because it's for a business. Even the assets and extensions were spot on here. Everything was perfect. Site links, all good. We couldn't add in image extensions here, which really sucked. If we had image assets, meaning we can serve images alongside the ad, this thing would have probably done insane numbers, even compared to what it already did. The account just wasn't old enough for image assets, so that's whatever, but that happens. No big deal. But yeah, overall, Christmas light installation company, they absolutely crushed it. Not to mention they also ran meta ads where they spent probably 60-70% of their budget. This was only a small fraction, but these are some pretty awesome numbers. 62 leads. Not sure exactly how many bookings they had from that, but this was pretty phenomenal.